Salibonani ma viewers lama subscribers AVG reality channel kama Mxolisi Sibongo esaboncube lamadoda amabili la afanayo liyabazi kwedlula mina ngoba ngani Ncube lo khulekani Ncube limazi lina ngomathambo xakalala ngicela libulise abalaleli.
Sanibonani balaleli. Sanibonani balaleli be-AVG ninjalo.
Right. Laba nithe mina ngibalethe kwethu kuthiwa i-double trouble. uVan Dim kuthiwa yini movie kaVan Dim le double impact.
Double impact.
Right.
Yes.
Ngamawele amadoda la ngabafowethu futhi ngoNcube lami ngiNcube. So sithe namhlanje ke singani sijaya okuyi-nepotism oncane. Nxa ndibona lihleli lithuso ngikhumbula the way I grew up noThemba oculi iRumba. Okay. Many people thought ukuthi we are brothers. Besilingana and ungasibhekisisa kakhulu singani siyahambelana but yena umhlophe of course or ngithi ube mhlophe ngaleso sikhathi but besilingana yonke into. Sibesile esiphila ngayo. Bekungako lanto ebimnandi zonke. Bekufika isikhathi umuntu uyagijinyiswana kakhulu. Fine, by him respect, he was 2 years older than me. He is 2 years older than me. So we figure isikhathi sokuthi hayi lapho kuyarespect. Kodwa inkani ebihlala ikhona. Lo mncane usually uyabe engwele inkani kakhulu. Phakathi kwento yithi nje utha kulamawele utha kulomnye umncane, mbalo omncane ngo.
Yeah.
Why nhlenga bawazi?
Angazi ukuthi why show.
Right. First and foremost ngifuna ukuthi babantu likhule njani.
Okay.
Lapha ngihlanganisa isimo elikhule ngaso because you were born 1977. Right. Lingamali kakhulu amadoda lawo ngazi kakhulu. Especially because of ubongane. Lizalwe 1977, 1980 kwaba le independence. 1983 kwaba lesikhathi esinzima. So ngifuna ukuthi ilife yenu as ama-twins ngesikhathi liqala ukuthi livula amehlo, when you first realized ukuthi kanasi into phela ifana lami, ufila njani? How does it feel?
Okay. Uthi twin ngelinye igama elisetshenziswayo but we are brothers.
Yeah.
My brother yabo. Yeah, so there is no difference kakhulu but uba ngama-twins sometimes kulo moya wakho, kune-spirit sakho, you understand? Normally thina sithe sivula amehlo bekuliwa, bekubulawa abantu,
Yes.
bekunendlala. So we grew up in a very, very poor family. Yabona, very, very poor family. Ngelilanga ngicabanga ukuthi ngi-curfew sake sathathwa sayisa kwenye indawo kuthiwa kwamdala. Kuthiwa let me say kwenye indawo. Bathiwa ngapha ekhaya ngakithi kuyalanjwa then sayiswa somewhere. Masifika lapha sathola impela ukudla kukhona but kwakungadliwa. Then didn't make any difference, sabaleka sabuyela ekhaya. So sikhule as brothers. Abantu abaningi as you asked, thina besingathi thina sibuya efamily yokuthini. Mina nginje mqobo mina zange ngichawe ngakhula abangazi ngichawe umama zange ngibone echawe umuntu.
Yeah.
Asizange sishaye. So ukukhula kwethu singashaywa thina kwenza ukuthi singalwi, yabona.
Yeah.
Asilwi thina like for instance wawungeke ukuthola isihlephana, you understand, because asikubone ekhaya like mawukhula ebazalini ungazibona ubaba echawe umama, ungazibone umama echawe lami mina umfana wami uNtokozo engathi ubaba wanjaya hayi asuke ehlalela because angikaze nje ngimfaka isandla but he is so disciplined ukuthi uzothi nxa yenza into wrong noma ngabe phambanise kangakanani akayeki ukutshela iqiniso ukuthi ababa yimi ngenze lokho yana bengikwenzela lokho noma usumshoda into okungamelanga wenze lokho, yabona, but angiyeke ukutshela amanga. So we grew up in a family vele ukuthi akuliwa, you understand? Even nalapha thina into esenza sibe strong thina mko before abantu bonke besisupport family yethu first uyawubonela kuma-shows kuyabe kulabachana kulabantwana babobhuti kulabosisi kulabobhuti omdala ama ingekho uyathumela unkosikazi da azosupporta. We are that family, into esenza sibe strong thina before abantu bangaphandle besupport. It's our family. Efamilini yethu angeke uthole kuhle pha noma labantu bazi mina lo Mathambo, but le strong family thina ukuthi manginenkinga manje emqomeni like benginenkinga last month ngike ngakutshela maybe kufuneka maybe i-5,000 rand manje kusasa iyavuka ihlanganisiwe wonke umuntu ekhiphile and wathi walokhuza. So we grew up in a very strong family, but thina face ye family yethu kakhulu ebantwini. The way we behave ebantwini is the way our family behaves to us, that you understand. So sikhule in that way, yabona sikhule in that way, akuliwa kuyazwanwa but mhlawumbe okunye okusi-affecta kakhulu ukuthi saba ngu-2 angisho maybe if kwaba yimi kwaba yi-1-1 yabona maybe umama wayezakhona ukuthi mhlawumbe ngabe uMathambo waba mdala kunami mina ngalandela maybe wayezozabela uMathambo ukuthi ayisikoleni yabona maybe mina ngizalandela sokuncane, but because aba u-2 uyabona kwaba nzima at the time ukuthi kanjani asifundise sonke semtime yabona. So ngezinye izinto mhlawumbe uzibona ukuthi lokhu kwayenziwa lokho, you understand.
Before Mathambo angene in ukhulume into ebalulekileyo kakhulu. Ngumla mbhikisa nabanye amadoda angama-Nigerian eBeria ethi umntwana kumele atshaywe eze bekhothele eBhayibhile uthi no, iBhayibhile lithi spare the rod and spoil the child. Ngithi no, ukuchaya angibasola abantu abatshaya abantwana ngoba laye mhlawumbe ukhule echaywa or something, kodwa ngihamba nje lanxa ukuthi umntwana wona umntwana olesandla esilulu uchaya umntwana uchaya umntwana must be the last thing, like ukhuluma maybe it's a ncube thing. Abantu abami they are watching, they can comment. I have never lifted a hand on a kid life in here angikhona even unkosikazi wami uyachaya manje, she knows ukuthi nxa ngikhona mina yazi nxa umntwana waphathi esesesaba ukuthi usesesaba ukuchaya uyazi ngizobuhlungu. Umntwana sekhala, umntwana akaqala ukukhala sechaya, uqala ukukhala sebontu usezachaya, ngizwa vele ukuchaya enye into lapho uthi no. So abantwana bakwathi udade mayekhona ngathi nokho endlini so ngibona bethatha isikhathi eside sengwathi umama bokawo ngabona nginoka behle bevule umama ukhona ngoba sebesathi i-protector sikhona abasachaya. So I like it because okunye ukuchat nesasikubona mina ayinumama wayelo ayikhalisa uswazi eish ekakhulu futhi waleya uCharles ugcina usithi kanti lapha sokuthe my father ngizange ngakhula naye, angikhulelanga kuye, but ngasuka lapho umama ubehlala eMatopo eJolojo ngahlala eMatopo ngihlala logogo lokhulu fine bona befika stage sokuthi bathi but I don't think ukuthi elifini banjani more than 3 times, but mina was not and vele lapho engandirathwa khona babengiratha khona bona ugogo lokhulu I deserved it. And bebengawutshalo abantu uyakubamba uchaya usazibize luphela uyabuya urathe kawani ubaleke ukuthi sokuphela uyabona, but la uya understand lapha benginjani bengimoshe. So Mathambo ubongani usekhulumisa ukuthi ikhule ngothando olunjalo bekungekho konke okufunekayo anti but uthando lolodwa even ulambile kodwa usazi lapha ngifukanyelwe ngiyathandwa at least kuba ngconywana. So nxa libona ukuthi okay sinama twins lapha into abantu bebehawuya ngabe libona so ngonkwana ukuthi ziyafana phela lezi ziyalingana libe ligqoko ufanayo.
Hayi bekusenzeka makukhona
but because
kuyashoda ngoba ngiyacabanga ilanga ngisho ngacisha ngahlala isikhathi ngaye esikolo kwenze ukuthi kube neshuttle iwani lathola umbongani ngangalithola mina ngicabanga ngisemncane unoFrank ngelanga ngikhala lapha ngithi mina ngizokuya esikolo because yabona so kwakwenzeka nje ukuthi mhlambe kube inhlanhla leyo sithola okufanayo ngoba thina mhlambe isikolo angicabanga siqhoma uniform sasaphuma sina, so kwakuba nalokho ukuthi sivele siyabe sifaka impahla ezishine ezitholakaleyo lelo la
So how does it feel ukuthi like for example kule sheti li1 wena usayanga esikoleni uthole ngobongani bekungayenza ukuthi ugcine la osingani usonto ubongana leso sikhathi ngomkwatele kwaleso sikhathi?
Hayi bekungabi khona ngithi nayo bembona ukuthi lento akuyena oyenzile kodwa icala likuphila kubazali. Angithi mawusase ngumntwana grade 2 or something mawusase ngumntwana ezinye izinto uyabe ucabanga ukuthi abadala bayenza ngamabo yabo but maso ucabanga usumdala ukuthi no ayi kwakungeyiphenye indlela ababengenza ngakhona. So kwakuba kanjalo ukuthi khona lokho okutholile yilokho esizokusebenza. So akukancane ukuthi mhlawumbe saqala ukugqoka into ezifanayo ngoba odadewethu labanewethu sebenza ngelinabele besiphathe ukuthi hayi yilapho esaqala khona ukufaka into impahla ezifanayo.
But didn't you feel unique in a way lina lilodwa so lani ke ukuthi you are better than abanye abantu because endaweni kulama especially ama twins angaba identical? Wonke umuntu lami ngiyafisa ukuthi ngabe ngaba identical twin. Ukuthi there's something unique ngama twins.
Okay, like as uthi unique. Unique lo doesn't mean ukuthi there's something better. It means it can be worse. Be better. So lento like kukhona izinto ezingezinhle ezasehlela ngoba singamathunya yabona ngike ngizwe ubuhlungu thina ngesikhathi ngosempi lapha kwakufika amasosha ngelilanga asithatha ahambe nathi echazwa ikhona lokuthi siyefana nje ayosithwalisa izibhamu mhlambe asithwalifakisa amabhayinekula thina ngaleso sikhathi siyawasaba lamasosha wona afika athathe thina la ahambe nathi abasafunda nabo bayazi ukuthi amasosha ayafika sikhethe thina zonke echazwe ukuthi singamathwini ahambe nathi yabona mhlambe sithwaliswe izibhamu bona babekholisa but thina kwakungekho mnandi ngoba ngabantu ababesabeka
yazi akukho isebelithethe against your will
yabona so
alikwali ukuthi lizaphenduka liphila kumbe kuzadutshulwa phambili
so zazineke izinto zikhona izinto ezingazingekho mnandi because of ukuba amathweni zikhona nezazimnandi ngoba singamathweni ngelilanga sasithi masifika esikolo maybe khona uMrs Ndlovu wayesithanda lesifundiswa ukuthi asibize maybe asibize le cottage yawo sinikeza izinkwa ukudla kanjalo uyabona. So konke kunayo ma disadvantage nama advantages akho.
Ukhuluma
but useyikhulumile into kade ngiyikhuluma especially endabeni yamasosha ukuthi babethi mabefika khona phana but maybe nakhona kwakusiza because mhlambe le engaba bezoyijanga izakhamizi yayinciphanyana sibeconcentrate kithi becazwa yithi besinikeza amabhayinekula and everything yabo. So maybe ngenye indlela nakho babe sika bangafika esikoleni baconcentrate kithi. Also even namanje ku-advantage kuyasiza sesibadala thina yabo. So mina noma amathambo manje noma ngathiwa ushota nge-4,000 angisho nginayo mina, I understand. Angimboleki yabona, ngiyamnikeza ngeke ngithi amathambo uyangikolwa, you understand. So in every situation amathambo kuyo mina mangine 20,000 20,000 yakhona angidli ngedwa ngiyawazi amathambo ukuthi ngithole kuphi naye uyabe ngazi then uzobona ngeaccount ngithi hayi ngifakile 4,000, you understand. So as much as now my brothers but thina because sikhule silingana si close to each other kakhulu yabona labantu abethu ba close nabafazi bethu baba close, you understand. So i-burden before sifika ungabona siya transfer ku family enkulu kuyabe kuyikuthi mina lomathambo su2 isisehlile angisho, understand. But if I can get now 100,000 I know ukuthi mathambo even naye ngathola 100,000 yawazi mathambo since ngingatholanga lutho 20,000 uzanginikeza nje futhi ngeke ethi ngelanga ngeke nganikeza ubonga 20,000 ngaletha siyazi nje ukuthi we help each other, you understand. So kuyi advantage, I understand. Thina singena isikolo like mina ngikhule ngumfana healthy othandwa sisimathambo ke ukuchazela ukuthi ukhule lo mzimba omncane ukhule gula and as I said ukuthi kule moya nje vele abantu abangamawule but yawa affecta yena kakhulu, you understand. So mina ngikhule umuntu healthy ohlale gijima abantu babejwayela mina more than mathambo because babethi mathambo uthule.
Yeah,
But that singena isikolo. Abantu bangakuphikisa bathi mina ngijwayele, bathi mina ngiyasebeka amathambo ya-project yabo. So angikwazi lapho but abanye abajwayele mina labo bathi hayi amathambo ajwayele. But sathi singena isikolo abantu baze basi-recognize thina siqala ugrade 1 sathatha number 2 sobabili yabona.
Okay.
Sathatha number 2 sobabili then abantu basi-recognize kulama-twins la esikoleni saqhubeka futhi ngokulandelayo sathatha number 4 sobabili saqhubeka amathambo because of kwakum-affecta kakhulu like system angakhulanga ngikho wayengathi uyadropa kancane. But mina ngangilo muntu ukuthi even namanje anti yabona into eziningi mina ngivocal yabona ngempilo but umathambo ngumuntu lona mina singathi ngiyi-striker yabona. Umathambo yi-defend yabo. So everything mina I go vocal, I go forward, then Mathambo ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngale Mathambo ngamfaka i-defense uvalile, understand. So sikhule in that way ukuthi mina bengivocal vele abantu bazi mina. But why Mathambo say utisha wethu called him intelligent. Mathambo ngumuntu ofika la, understand. Wena mxozo uzorealize after a long time ukuthi Mathambo is very intelligent. But mina ngizohle ngibone mangikhuluma mangena ukuthi indoda le because wawungithola mina eclassini ngixo kuthiwa yabona comprehension practice ngiyakhumbula teacher owasifundisa ngikhani ngelanga ashaya iclass yonke wathi bongani uphendula ama questions awu10 wonke lina lonke la eclassini la eclassini akulo uphendula iquestion yabona, you understand. So ngumuntu lona mina osibona like obonakalayo mayikho ukuthi and ngumuntu lona othi anginandaba into lokho kuthiwa into inzima kangakanani noma ngiyenze ngedwa kade kumele siyenze sibaningi ngiyayenza, I understand. Angilanda lokho amxoka yenzanga into whatever ngumuntu onjani yabona ukuthi if I want to do something for Lobson ngumuntu o-attackayo, understand, oyaphambili yabona. But Mathambo ngumuntu o-defendayo, understand ukuthi you can't see him. Yeah. You can't see him, you see him masokudingekile ukuthi like why he was called intelligent. Sometimes basokuhlukile iclass yonke yabo. Sokuhlule iclass lami singihlulile question kanti Mathambo uyayazi usithulela. Kuba bonke bese sithi hey Mathambo tell them my intelligent boy. So Mathambo wade thulela into le yazi mina ko abe kudala khulu lesadlula kulento, understand.
So kulento likhulumileyo la I think ngwebo ngani uthi you grew up in a family lothando. Ngothando lolo siyalibona uthando lelo ebantwini. Lokuthi wena alibolekani yaphanani. And I can testify ukuthi mina I said ngikhuluma noMathambo in a different kuze podcast. Ngisithi mina I'm close kakhulu nobongani and I think kulezinto wena eziningi that I can testify about you. You are one person othi mina ngaba lenkinga because you have taken me as family. Ngaba lenkinga I can just pick a phone bongani ndoda lapha kunzima lapha ungifakela imali ubongani utheli ukuthi angixoxa manje ngila mali bekuya kuyimande kona lapha but Friday kule mali yami ebuyayo ingabuye nxa ukuthi usayidinga la unike not kathi ukuthi nxa usayidinga ngabuye ngizakubhekela mina bese ngikhohliwe maybe kade ngifuna khona in 30 minutes and Friday ngixo kanje ubongani ukhamba ubongani ungahlangana la noma ngabantu even ungacelanga ungavela ungazange uyona la need no abamba la kumbe asidleni madoda yabona. That shows ukuthi you come from a family leyana yafundisa ukuthi if somebody is in need, not if somebody is in need, if you have something you have to share. So it first grew like a sichogini yapopumela ngaphandle and you are a representation of your own family, I can say. I mean, I think yazi umfana wendwana umyonje ngani umncane so usisi ngambona kayiwani but into mangimbona I think the daily logic book usisi lwana ngokhazi one landayo so who already knew me ngangamazi wafika waninikeza ihug so wathi mina wathi ngusisi the daily logic book wathi ngusisi wakobongani something like that. Ngangamazi na wayengazi
babe khona bonke usisi bawuthu
ukhona lengasingayi kahle ku family
thina sabe 7.
Is it such a big family?
Yeah, it's a very big family.
Yini lodwa ama twins
kahle kahle umama yi-twin.
Okay.
Uyabona uSithabiso lwasisilwana omhlophe wayekhona kulodge.
Nguye wandla wathi mina angazi kakhulu
nguye. Ngumzala umntaka malume olitwin lo mama wethu.
Yeah.
So thina
you explained that.
So thina si family enkulu lapha si6. Yabo.
Okay.
eBotswana kune1 ekhaya kune2. So si9 masiphela. So we're very big family.
Abafana lo.
Abafana so5.
Umantombazana
4.
Okay.
So yeah, but abantu bayazi mina kakhulu lo
aba involved kakhulu especially ku arts ilinto ethu.
Yeah.
Ufana nokwa eThanyana kodwa la.
Ngesikhathi wayesahlala nami wayefika lapha. Manje
mfusa.
Samba so. Yeah, but what mina yakwazi ukuthi I always tell people I don't mind I always tell people ukuthi wena uyabona ngikulutho ne. But mina kimi anginikezi wena ngiyanikela. You understand?
Yeah.
Because kimi it doesn't make sense into ukuthi ngidle inyama ngize ngilahle. Umxoso liranda 1 rand yokuthenga abantwana ikhabishi yabo. Iyetiness yami asikuthi ngithi mina abuka nginemoto enkulu, ubuka mina ngine-fridge yami anginayo lento leyo ukuthi sense of ownership ukuthi ngizigqaje ukuthi ngi-own lutho, but ngigqaja ngokuthi ngisize ubani nobani. Baningi kakhulu abantu engibasizile isachichoma nje. Yazi mina ngiyathi ngidlalela. Umuntu ungamazi ngiqongazi ukuthola i-call eBhutbongani abantwana bavalelwe. Umuntu angangazi lokungazi yabona angiqonda athi ngize ngizibuza ukuthi kanti umuntu lo ku Facebook athi Bhutbongani mina ngispanibani ngisethembisa ngishoda ngento eso ngicela ungithengele ugesi kuphela bhuti, understand? I'll just nganginayo imali buy ngayithe 20 rand or 50 rand. This thing ingenza mina ngibe happy and because mina mko lokho kungenza ngibe happy because mina mko loba kuthiwa abantu banjani ungakubheke mina mangenza lutho nami kuba njalo kimi yabona. Ngiyathi ngihlalele nje angisokoli ukuthengisa itikiti yabona. Uyakhumbula ngingathi ukuthi mina ngeke ngasebenza ngiyenza ishow yami namanye ama-artist amakhulu mina ngidayisa 120 tickets umuntu awulandela i-artist enkulu wayidayisa 7. So this thing engiyenzayo iyenzeka nakimi yabona. That's why ngingakuboni nje ngokuluza ukunika umuntu lutho because ngiyakwazi ukuthi baningi abantu mina abanginceda, baningi abantu mina engakhulumi kabili ukuthi sibanibani ngicela uncedo liso, but nami behind the doors baningi engibasizayo and what I like ukuthi I married to someone olenhliziyo enjalo futhi yabona. My wife kungathiwa I remember sometimes yazi abafazi but yena ngathi okay kulo siso nje so kulana, understand? If enakho yabona angeke athone ethi hayi because unomfazi wathi uzonginikeza, understand? So angazi kumbe I passed the spirit to her or naye vele wayenjani, understand? So yindlela nje ngiphila ngayo angizigqaji ngokuba lo lutho material things, ngizigqaja ngokuthi ngisizile omunye umuntu and inhliziyo yami iyakhululeka if someone is helped yabona. That's how I am. But abantu bona I always say nxa sesithi kanti Bongani bona why so ku easy ukuthi unika abantu ngidali ngalibona mina ngisipha umuntu lutho, mina ngiyanikela angiphi yena ngipha uNkulunkulu indlela yami enginikela ngayo ebantwini.
Mathambo you are left handed huh?
Yeah.
Abachithi ngiyalazi. Right, selikhulumile ukuthi ukufana ukuba identical as twins kuliphe ubuhle lobuhle. Uyifakeze kuma situation amnandi lapho right. Kulabantu abastoti phandle. Ubungekho stoti.
Hayi.
Uthi maybe wona suka hayi ukwathi ngu-interviewer lapho wathi okwenze wayeka ipolitiki elinye bandla epolitiki ukuthi wezwa kuthiwa uvinjele uMathambo kwathiwa angangeni kumbe besithi ngobongani wawonile phela.
Ngabonanga basingafuni yawazi into eyenzaka lapho zaphu laphana sifuna ukukhuluma iqiniso abantu bonke balazi today. Thina sase abantu abaningi esasiba approach before siyongena lapha.
Mathambo phela ungathuli
before siyongena laphana ne they said is up right but they against umdala uDD to lead the party and they were true. uDabengwa is a hero, he's not a politician. That one might be because I wanted Sky was a hero. But he wasn't a politician. Vele wasn't a politician. But uliqhawe umuntu wayengasivikela sisizwe uphiwe le. But akekho innovative asumuntu oyaphambili understand so his character so thina sasithi sisi youth sinabo Jabu nabo Madabudabu nabo siseselo kuzeni nabo lokuthi abantu sabezwa bathi zaphi right but asifuna umdala lapha yabona so savumela ukuthi madoda singeke siyeke ukungena kuzaphi because abantu abafuna umdala thina singeneni lapha nasinjani sifike sizama amaplan ukuthi ususa umdala kungene bani umuntu omusha lapha ozanjani ozohambisa but one thing for sure ongeke uyenze empilweni Europe politician ngepolitics yabona because wena khona kokucabanga uyafika uthola bekulindele la understand so basichaya understand thina saba defeated into esasifuna asizange sayithola yabona because thina we believed ukuthi umdala usengaba khona to guide anisho but we want somebody omusha lapha uzapusha that thing yabona yikho kwasishaya kakhulu yayingekho into embi esiyenzayo because thina we hearing abantu estradeni ukuthi bathi bona no is upright sayithanda but umdala lapha understand that so yikho ukwenza thina sathi singena kuzapho sangena bese igroup yabo
isakhe kudebe
sasingayimkhipha sangena sigroup sisenzana sivumelene ukuthi njengoba sizwa abantu bekhala sofika singene lapha singangena sibe zama ukuphusha into ekhulunywa ngabantu ukuthi no ayizaphuthanda but umdala lapha uzavimba kungalokho but let's akubona ukuthi nomdala izinto politician so sangena lapha sathola ukuthi vele abantu in politics abantu babe kuplanele la sasingamzonda umdala of course but we had seen strengths ukuthi no umdala si politician yena nje si politician but siyamhlonipha played a role futhi umuntu lwana kungathiwa ungacatsha ngemva kwakhe manje izinto sezinzima yabona but he is not a politician yabona yikho esasizama lapha sayingekho into esimoshile yabona we wanted to izapho ukuthi ikhule yabo
umdala kuba nzima ukuthi ngikhulume because umdala wami and fine I agree ukuthi in terms of being in the front line oqala udabe ukuthi mayikhuluma uyajumela address abantu uyajumela straight and then okwesithu yabona uma uyi-leader kumele ulead abantu to something and uba-leader ngendlela ethile udabe ngathi people were lying in his name azithulele nje anendaba kathi mdala mina was very close to him kamanje ubani uthe wena unamanga lo kamanje wawuthulele kwathi channel and usabona la ukuthi umdala lapha is not involved abaye sabe sihleli la so umuntu osuka ekhuluma le yathi umdala uthe wathi sihlele siji usala ngamanga la but yena won't counter that what if we call that person ndodala manje ukhuluma amanga ngani so that shows ukuthi in terms of leadership uyawusilela lapha but of course mina wansindisa impilo yami
that's why ngithi umdala is
so wena sebekuvimba abasaba kukarapha kancane the time sithole ngokubonga wena wayo ungatshonta sobonga
nayi like kahle angizwa that day uthi hayi mina nginola mina nginenkani but inkani yami angiyiforce mayingekho yabona so ungenzeka ngelilanga ufike lapho uthi hayi amatambo ngiyamazi unenkani ucabanga ukuthi izweza inkani hayi phela ngizithulele ngizo hayi wena ubusubuya ngelilanga uthi hayi amatambo hayi ngiyamazi ngafika naye izinto wathula yabona so like it's not natural like mina ngayenza inkano yabantu abayi500 kodwa ngihlule ukwenzela umntwana omncane inkani yabona so kuyazizela ukuthi la sengifuna ukwenza inkani like inkani sisenzela
uyathanda ukulwa futhi ngothanda ukulwa at some point
hayi mina is the only thing in a level bisho bona ukuthi abantu mina ngangimncane babengidelela so ekungidelela khona ngoba ngideleliswa ngomzimba yabona so mina ngumuntu vele onjani sengishilo ukuthi mina ngingadalwa kanjalo sasingalwa 2 or 3 years la kwisizwe mhlawumbe ungishaye kodwa ngingavumi ngoba nginenkani natural mina mangenza into kwaze kwasho omunye ugogo ekhaya badayi wena mathambo wetheswa ngomhluzi wenkawu hawo uyetheswa ngomhluzi wenkawu ukuthi uyazi ungayeza into awuyiyeki ngaphusha yabona so mina khona lokho nginjalo vele natural ukuthi manje ngaqala into mangazange ngiyaphusha ngendlela engifuna ngakhona ngizizwe ngathi nginecala.
Yes.
Ngithi ebantwini uyabona mina ngavuma into e-wrong ngiyagula. Like vele awusuke ukuthi mhlambe ngiyakubonisa ebantwini ukuthi nginenkani kodwa mayisifike leyo nto ukuthi ngenze inkani ngiyayenza ukuthi libangaki lizangenzani ngibona muva lokho manje lizombulala kodwa lizongibulalela entweni eqinisweni engibhekivela kulo ngalile. So kukanjalo uyabona ukuthi that's why ngibeke ngixoxela about mina I fought with abantu ababengafika 50 but azange ngakucabanga khona lokho bafika kwazenzakalela ngabahlula ngaphuma ngabo. So kula kanjalo so ngaleso sikhathi avele mawufika umvimbelo themba amathambo sezinkane ezimvalele nje ngihambe ngide uzongivalela ngelinye ilanga umeke ungavala ukuthi ngikwenze inkani. So kukanjalo
and then ubona sekakhuluma ukuthi uthe wena ya defender yena is a striker ukuthi nxa sewumele ukuthi kathesi lingothuli damages abasisiya kwasendoda sihambela abasiyokhuluma ngendaba ethile obviously ubongane ubi the spokesperson then wena nxa sewumele ajekwe manje maybe sekuphiceka ngenkulumo usungena wena ngilokho lokubongane kakhulu and he compliments he believes so much in you uthi ulokhuluma ethi yabona ngizakhuluma enye secret hayi wothi ngayikhuluma ngoba izaba maybe le bet lokuze lebantwini ibezedela lo nje khona amabhuku lo2 and he complimented you on those 2 books ukuthi hayi umathambo usebenze kakhulu la kwelakhe angithi then abese sithi kule wathi yena in fact uthi yena is not a writer I writer umathambo yena is a performer uyabona so that's how you complement each other ukuthi you know each other's weaknesses and strengths ukuthi la uyabusazi but lapha maybe ufuna ukuze expressa ngenkondlo wena kodwa bhalise ngakubona uperformer futhi kakhulu okumnandi kodwa la ngenxa yokuthi maybe ulamahloni or something ukusithi but inkondlo leyo kodwa ngibhale ngiphuko ngayo so at the end of the day liyaphilelana lemise ukuthi ngeke ubona ukuthi performing ingoma ule ngoma esicula ngabafana belapha izingqungqulo sakugele goli madoda sijovile kodwa in fact lapho engihamba khona nxa kulomcimbi bathi ngathi uyaperform kayichiyi ingoma le uyayiperform so yiziphi ezinye izinto eli complementa each other kizo other than ku arts ilase kukhulumeni nxa le approach ama problems ibele dlala ama sports
besingekho kugaka kangako
wonke where else do you complement each other ukuthi okay lapha hayi lapha ngani maybe uyasilela ithi ngimkhavele kumbe hayi lapha sihambe si2 kodwa siyakwathi la uzafika maybe ubana gwenxeke mina imengikhava
like ngithingena la in terms of izinto zesintu izinto zeculture Mathambo forefront noma ikuphi noma ngeza sekhaya eziyimfihlo Mathambo forefront so I just compliment him in terms of politics even ibhuku akhuluma ngalo lela alibhalayo umbuso weGazleni some information he got from me ukuthi hayi lokho kwayenzakala so politically uMathambo uthembe mina culture abantu bas confuse mntambo umuntu sembuzo gama langazi umye semfonela bayafonela ebhuti amadlozi osoma kwenza lokho ngithi umuntu ongcono kulento Mathambo yabona understand but Mathambo la into ezinokwenza kakhulu ngepolitics understand like approach umuntu kanti lapha na kwahamba njani kwenzakala kanjani yabona so there we complement each other senses strength some in terms of culture amasiko and language asifiki Mathambo yasazi la esathi in terms of politics and activism strengths like asifiki kimi understand
and then likhula right bese khuluma nje ngiqala ngathi mina then you lived esikhathini esinzima seyakhuluma ngawo there is a time lapho bongane sekwakhuluma ukuthi you have seen ubaba bemfaka isibhamu emlonyeni then wayithile nje angizayi ngafuna ukuyikhuluma because ezinye izinto lezi emotional I didn't get to understand ukuthi bantu bemfaka isibhamu lesemlonyeni ukuthi they shoot him or but leke langitshela before ukuthi abazali baye bathathwa ngokukhulu wathathwayo ngobaba wathathwayo bababulalela egangeni.
No, hayi abazange babona. Ngesinye story leso. What happened laphana kahle ama-social lawa nafika achaya ubaba yabona.
Yes.
Achaya ubaba ukhulu waze wakwata yabona.
Okay.
Yabona ukushaya umntana wakho lelile awunamandla njengekhehle laselikhulile kaze lihamba linjani lisiya approach amasoja ubaba babefuna bamfaka isibhamu abazange bamduka kwakule system yokuthi babedubula abantu bafaka isibhamu emlonyeni babudula abantu so kahle I had made a mistake ngamele ngithi babefuna ukumfaka understand babefuna ukumfaka isibhamu emlonyeni bade akhamise yena waya understand wanda abazange bamfaka exactly so ngathi ngasona ngavula amehlo babefuna ukumfaka isibhamu then ukhulu wakwata bona ubaba eshaya understand approach ama-social yana understand confuction ama-social yana abechaye yabona unfortunately bamjumpa phezulu understand bamchana ijambo bamphula imbaba understand yes these things sizikhola because besibancane ku-83 lapha so sizikhola manje so bamthebe emphula imbamba zahlaba ngaphakathi khulu waqala ukugula understand thina noma sasifihlela sibancane but sokubuya manje ukuthi lapana wayisihambe siya ku-x-ray bebe besibonisa ama-plastic lawana amnyama ukuthi hayi khulu imbamba understand ngokufika khona abadala babesifihlela khulu wabulawa yini ngamasoja understand umhlaba bamchaba phula imbamba sure ukuthi zahlaba ngaphakathi kazange last yabona but azange afe sentime understand
awusikwatshela lokho before so sesiza laphana ukuthi amasoja I think that was yiwa kade belithwalisa isibhamu or it was before.
No, it was after.
Asikulento akusonto yayisenzeka ayenzeka kanye ayenzeka kaningi yabona ukuthi amasoja afika esikolweni noma engafika ekhaya ngelinye ilanga ngiyacabanga basifika besithola sidlala laphana sasidlala thina loze mabe siye badaleni bafika basibuza thina basigibeza phezulu kwe-drum so basikhomba ngezibhamu
long two
bathi asivuma ukuthi ama-distance afikele sayala thina sakho
ground le basic ngamasoja
angithi laphana mqo waqala i-national army i-national army sivambile yase-replace ayiguground
so mabe sigibezela khona thina sayala sathi akufikanga ama-distance la yabona right bathi mabesuka besebadaleni bafika bathi thina sivumile ukuthi ama-distance afikile lapha osebeqala ukuhlupha abadala yabona into eyangiphatha kabuhlungu ukuthi namanje abadala baze basuka badlule emhlabeni becabanga ukuthi thina savuma ukuthi ama-distance afikile kanti bongazange kufike ama-distance thina yabona yiyo nto nje eyama and futhi abadala besifihlela laphana noma ama-distance ayifikele kwakuthiwa kithi ngamapolisa yabona understand ngiyakhumbula ngifisa ngumfana wangathi sekhulile kancane esikoleni ama-distance asuka ngiyabona adlula ngakithi so thina abadala basithude ngamapolisa esikoleni manje sibona sithi ama-distance adlula ngakini amandebela ayinani proud kancane for ama-distance ukuthi adlula ngakini hayi kudlula amapolisa but hayi somapolisa so abadala babekwenza kube yi-secret kwakungasophonga ukukhulunywa kuphela but nathi angithi sakhula sazibonela thina sebefika kwaba lenye issue yokuthi nelanga bake bafika basivuze ebusuku bethi bazobulala ubhuti wethu omdala lo uMathambo kakhuluma ngayo ukuthi ngoye wasifakela i-sting of reading you understand so bake bafika kithi laphana ubhuti bami angithi kithi kusemaplazini so bathola ubhuti ehamba ubaba next door yabo so khona elalidumile okuthiwa ngo-Nysoni nomabhenga and all those so babenquma ucingo yabona unquma lo ngalithi balala phezulu kwami hayi babebizwa ubhuti then bayihamba lo mdala kwenye indawo so ama-distance ayinendlela yokuconfuse abantu yabona anti babesazi ukuthi ground mayifika ke nizofika ithi bangaphi yabona labo so babefika ngali befake i-camouflage yabo bafike abantu bathi hayi bangaphi yabona umdala lona manje na being confused because the sesikhathi kwakula masiya kona ku-confuse abantu wavele wakhuluma into ezingekhoyo ukuthi vele mina ama-distance ngiyazonda bafika kithi ngisabayenza somnye wathatha izicathulo zokufanana kanti ukhuluma nani utshela bona so etshela bona kanjalo understand
into yakhona yaba hayi baba manje ubhuti uthi uNaison uyamazi ngisho uNaison kwakuyi angazi sort of commander I don't know endaweni yakithi Naison so wayezibiza ngosibakhulu so uthi Naison wabona ubhuti uyabona la wabe donsa ubhuti ehamba naye kwenye indawo yabona umntana wazihulula zonke yabona bese eqedile ukukhuluma into ezinkonzo wavele eqamba amanga ubhuti wathi sembuza ethi akathi manje ngitanda indaba ezicathu hayi akuna indaba ezicathu kathi manje usukhulumela so wathi yaphendula bana ubhuti bathe sebona ubudala sekhulume konke babeletha ubhuti uthi ubhuti mayise describe uthi uNaison wakhuluma wakwasukuma wakhala inyembezi wathi mdala uthini uthi thina sibulawe thina silupha abantu thina abantu sabaleka ku-army abantu laba besibulala uthi thina sibulawe umntana khona uzidlwe kathi ngikhuluma labo bantu so uthi uNaison wamemeza wathi lethi PK imfana anti ushuthi wayikhomanda nelibizo omunye wathi hayi kodwa miyeke wathi asimthatheni kwakugcwele ungwizi umfula kithi understand kwakugcwele ungwizi wathi mdala osimthatheni siyompoza kuphi emfuleni wathi hayi kodwa asimeni kancane umdala lo ule information azosichaza umdala seyethukile angisho kwabe kuthiwa ubhuti kwabe kuthiwa ubhuti uthi kwabe kuthiwa kimi wena ukade lo mdala lo in 2 weeks yabe sizombulala ngiyakuthola ubhuti wami I think waqesha 2 weeks engahle lapha thina sasingazi so umdala lo waya komakhelwane so yena wayemgada ekithi so umdala wona akazi ukuthi waphunywa kanjani wabebaleke siyaku yabo wabebaleke siyaku so ama distance abefika ngelanga abathu bazobuya kulala umdala lwana wabefika ebusuku yabo bafika yonke imizi yomthu understand but that's ukuthi waxoliswa lela langa bese besithi bashisa umuzwa ngakithi bayishisa kuphi nalo next door yabo baxoliswa lelo langa next door ukuthi hayi wavuswa ubaba lo mama bazoxolisela ubhuti sasihleli savuswa nathi sibancane sahlala endlini eyi1 waxoliswa what happened so ilaki laba abantu ababengene ngale komakhelwane bathola same information nababengene ngabakithi bagcina sebethi hayi ukuthi kuliqiniso yabona laba nabafana bakhuluma yazi bakhuluma into ezibuhlungu last ngisakhumbula namagama alo omunye walala ngakithi sithi badala likhuze abantu abethi siyahlupheka lathi asizenzi ukuthi sibe segamini so situation yelizwe yasidala so that's why mina mangibhala ibhuku elethu umhlaba unaqiniso I've seen that yabona I've seen ukuthi kubaba lo hayi ukuthi wayefuna uqamba amanga wayefuna ukuzincengela wayefuna ukuzincengela and hayi ukuthi wayenjoy ukuthi aqamba amanga wayefuna ukuthi azinika ama marks ukuthi hayi lapha kuze ngingatshaywa angivele ngithi mina ngithi ama distance ngiyawazonda omunye wathatha izicathulo zomfana wami yabona ezama ukuzincengela ngokwethu understand if kwakuyigugura wundi like ifike yazenza ama distance wayenza same thing futhi ethi hayi lokhu zen igugura wundi ngiyayizonda yalokhuza yabona understand so that's when ibhuku lami umhlaba ulaqiniso elirelaya khona kakhulu ukuthi abadala bakithi they were caught in between the devil and people babe ngala side abangayakulo so yena wayezama ukuzincengela ngapha kanti uyenza kube worse because labana baya pretend I understand which is that was the problem ubuhlungu esikhule abazali bethu bebubona but we understood to the pain labo esithi ngama distance noma besala kuthiwa ngama survivors bona mabethu but no thina sasingahlamuki sasizama ukusindisa impilo zethu because besibulawa angisho understand but I still have a picture kwakungu 1985 but I still have a picture of that young man owayekhuluma nabazali bethu about the situation abakuyo bona understand ukuthi no thina we are not here ukuthi sizohlupha abantu bakithi so but umdala information asinika yona and you understand so I still have that picture yalwabhudlwa ekhuluma
yeah then as you grew up did you become the best of friends or something la kulo myimngane le la amathambelo myimngane le
into esebantwini sometimes namanje abantu they think if bezwana nobongani bazwana nami automatically no njengoba ushona ukuthi usondelana nobongani asisondelelanga thina mina nawe songithuka kanjalo vele it's not ukuthi abanye abantu ngicabanga nyango kwako wavivela impela abantu bethi ubona nomathamba bazwani mama what I know akwazi kwenzeka ukuthi singazwani but mina angivumi into ngoba ikhulunywa ngibongani kanti nami nginelinye other side ye story yabo. So abantu they expect babelindele ukuthi hayi masingena mhlawumbe kuma organization kusho ukuthi into yonke ezokhulunywa ngibongani uMathambo uzoyifuma yabona. No, siyafika isikhathi sokuthi si debate until izenjani sifike eqinisweni lento into le iliqiniso kanjalo. So kunokuthi futhi nokuthi mina nobongani njengoba nichaza nina sinama character angafanele. So abantu abahambelana ne character kaBongani ibona bazoba ngama friends kaBongani. Abantu abahambelana ne character yakhe ibona bazoba ngama friends kaMathambo uyabona. So yikho othola ukuthi kunokuphikisana kakhulu. Abanye bathi hayi uMathambo nguye onobuntu uyokhulumisa abantu. No,
ngoba ngaba ukwazi uMathambo
wena uhambelana ne character yami ukuthi mina nginje umuntu ethi hayi uBongani nguye onobuntu uBongani. Abanye bathi hayi uBongani manje uhlala ethule uyabona. Kukanjalo nje kuyazenzakalela.
Barona uthanda imicimbi
mina
ngaphandle kwesicathambi.
Angithi awonti isikhathi esiningi sengidlala isikhathi esidingi ngikhola around ibhola. Mina ngihlala le Kempton Park isikhathi esiningi ukuthi ngize ngapha makusebusuku hayi kuba yilokho nalokho. But mina like umuntu onjani osupporta yonke into yabona. Mina even into ingekho kimi ngisuke ngiba nalento ukuthi lo muntu iyenze mhlawumbe efuna ukuthola something. So ungabuya kimi mina ngisimuntu mhlawumbe ongamthola ehlala eRumbulu ehlala uMaskandi ehlala kodwa ungabuya neCD manje ukuthi Mathambo athenga iCD uMaskandi uyathenga ngambe libezi thathe nje. So I feel ukuthi wonke umuntu oku-arts uyenza ngoba ufuna ukuthola something aphilise yena nezingane zakhe. So that's why ungeke even angithi uyazona ukuthi mina ngumuntu wesitatamia ngoba usungibone but ngeke ungithole nangelinye ilanga ngicela umunye umuntu onjani owenza arts engingayilandeliyo ngiyamsupporta naye uyabona.
I think that's one constant in lo two, not one, two. Okokuqala you've got a love for arts. Okwesithu you've got a love for abantu labelithi ngabakomthwakazi. Why do you feel ukuthi abantu laba bahlukunyeziwe?
Phela people le ethi abantu labelithi ngabakomthwakazi. We love everybody.
Okay.
So mina angikhuluma ngithi mina ngithanda wonke umuntu.
Okay.
So but ayikho into like engathi mina ngokuthanda abantu bakithi kakhulu sengizozonda abanye abantu.
Ubona I always say that.
Okay, so we love but ekhaya kusekhaya. So wena ngakuthanda nje umntaka baba omncane but ekhaya vele kuzohlala kusekhaya khona lapha enjani yonke into yami yenzeka khona. So the first people ngabantu bakithi then
ngani ya divert ungangeni ngani i-conversation phakathi kwelungu two liyahamba silixoxa lihleke kakhulu ukuthi njengami ngikhuluma lokwazi.
Njoba
sibeso you know why I'm asking? You seem to be too formal man. Imagine xa silindawonye ndabe ixoxa ngayo ukuthi ke laba bayakulayiwana yabona abantu methi ngabe bayenza so manje no
conversation tina we not formally kahle understand ifamily yethu nxa sihlangene siyathanda ukuhlala sihlangane labo sise kuyakuhleka
awusisi sengiyabona full of life lana ngithi uthi alikho full of life but you are too serious.
Hayi vele masu sabe sixoxa sihleka but angithi if ngananzelela ama voice sonke siphansi sesingahlala bona la ucabanga ukuthi akulabantu uzosesihleka ukuthi hawo kanti kulabantu yabo. So sinjalo even nobhuti omdala noma singahlala thina sibe ufana lo mncane umazi ungcono kancane voice yakhe but noma singahlala sibe 3 lo bhuti omdala yabo ama voice ethu aphansi wonke understand. So ungezo sokuhleka ukuthi kanti kunabantu la but asikho that formal and siyathanda ukujoka and you understand. So
yeah, joke ali uthu what maybe Lingene ngane uthayi kugwarana lokho alinguthu.
Hayi thina sigwaranti siyabe sihleka nje ukuthi mhlawumbe into ehlekisayo la okwayibona ngithi hayi ibonile ilokhu ze. But I want to go back to into lokho wayibuza. You know what, we love our people. Mina honestly angifuni uqaba amanga mxo. Angikazi ngizizwe enhlizweni yami ngizonda umuntu. Ukuthi ngizwe ukuthi hayi abantu sibani ngiyamzonda impela sibani no. I always separate nxa ngiphoxile mxo. I always separate into wena ne problem we creating. Wena you're not a problem angisho. But ungenzele I problem yabona. So I always separate you ukuthi but umxo ngiyazi ukuthi umuntu onjani but ungicreatele I problem. Now we have to solve that problem.